Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, welcome. No, that was terrible, but you guys get the point. Hey, welcome back. So today I basically wanted to take you guys with me. Well, actually no. So this lighting is like throwing me off. Take you guys with me through the whole process of me making my beauty room studio, whatever you want to call it. Basically the area where, like, you know, I record and film my videos and stuff. So I literally just got back from, sorry, my arm's like tired. Sorry, I've been lifting stuff all day. But I literally just got back from the store. I went to Home Depot, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby to go pick up a few things. And let me show you guys what I got. Well, first off, I got these foam boards, reflective foam boards from Home Depot. It's actually one big behind foam board, and I just had them break it down for me to fit in my car because my car it's small. It can't fit this. So I had to like break it down. So there's that. But yeah, I got these clamps from Walmart to basically help hold the foam boards up so that my lighting is a little bit better. The purpose of the foam boards basically is to help out for lighting, to help your light bounce off of your face evenly so that you guys can see everything that's going on in the videos and stuff. But LED light bulbs, I got 2 of them for my softbox. LED lighting is so much better than the other kind of lighting. I forget the name of it, but if I saw it, I know what I'm talking about. But LED light is a lot more, 1, safer, good for the environment, 2, it lasts way longer, and 3, it doesn't make you hot while you're sitting and recording videos for like hours at a time. You know what I mean? You kind of don't, if you're making a beauty video, like makeup video, you don't want to sweat your makeup off, obviously, so there's that. And even if you are making just a regular video, you don't want to be sweating and all that stuff. So let me show you guys the area that we're going to be transforming. All right, so right now this is the back room in me and my mom's house. Like, that's the living room right there, and this is the room literally right behind it. This was the den. This is the den. So yeah, so before we were just using this space for storage, as you can see, and we've actually gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I know it looks like a lot of stuff is still back here, but we got rid of a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be using basically this wall right here to record and make my little area, and my mom is going to actually change this area over here to make it into a bar area or something. I don't know exactly what she's gonna do, but she said she's gonna do something. Sorry that the lighting is like, it's not that bad here. Okay. You guys are basically gonna be seeing me transform this little area into my beauty studio. I basically wanted to do this because I feel like most beauty vloggers and stuff, I'm sorry, my arm's getting tired, I can't quality, but anyway, yeah, so I felt like I really wanted to do this because I just seen a lot of beauty vloggers and stuff only show you their room after the fact that it's made and pretty and everything like that, and I haven't like seen anybody do a makeover to make a beauty room, really. Maybe I'm just not on that side of YouTube, but but yeah, so I just wanted to do something a little bit different and actually show you guys how I transformed this space into a usable recording space. Like, I want you guys to understand, like, if you're out there and you want to make YouTube videos, you don't need to do all this stuff that I'm doing. I'm just anal AF, and I want my videos to come out to be, well, I want my videos to be better, and I want to step up my game. So that's the only reason I'm investing in doing all this stuff. But if you're just starting out, you don't need to do all this stuff. You really don't. Keep it simple, keep it cute, use natural lighting, film in front of a window, just make sure you film in front of a wall that doesn't have holes in it, and just make sure, yeah, just bring your personality. Like, that's basically what it is. People are not on here to, like, see your quality like that. Like, the quality matters, but they're more so here for you, for your content, for what you're making. So you don't need all the hoopla and whatnot, but I want the hoopla, so I got the hoopla. but yeah, so I'm just gonna end it right here for today, for right now, because I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. Been running around all day picking up all this stuff, like going everywhere and just doing other stuff in between getting all this stuff. So when I get, you know, you guys will just see. You'll see what's gonna happen next. You'll see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple days since I put everything, well, since I bought everything to start the beauty room. So right now, today, I'm sorry, I'm trying to like post you guys. Sorry, back to what I was saying. So yeah, it's been a couple days since I bought all the materials to start the beauty room. And today is Monday, so, and it's bright and early. I just got done working out, showering and stuff like that. So now I'm ready to try to like put the room together. So I'm gonna fast forward through this part. You guys are just gonna watch me put stuff together and hopefully it works out. Oh, apologize for my appearance. I'm gonna try to record a video after this, so that's why I'm like, well, after I attempt to put this thing together, I'm gonna try to record a video. So excuse my appearance. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me struggle. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you guys enjoy watching me trying to put this together because I've never done this before. Okay, so be patient with me. Alright guys, so I'm finally in the space. I'm here. I finished it. It wasn't too hard to do. Obviously, well, obviously I can't say that, but over time I'm going to improve upon what this little base is. I'm going to be making some changes slowly but surely just to like improve it. I wanted to at least get like a little base or like at least a little station for myself where I could just easily get in here, record a video, and be out. You know what I mean? So this works out. I'm actually kind of happy with it, the space that I was given. So I think I'm happy. I am happy with it. So I'm gonna give you guys like a little tour of everything. Yeah, everything, because I know my camera overheated and cut off in the middle of me like trying to put everything together. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, so this is my little studio area. You guys are gonna still see me, you know, this is basically where I'm gonna be at when I'm talking to you guys. Yeah.